James, and this is the deal. A 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom semi-detached house located in one of the most sought after parts of the South Shore area. The kitchen really is the heart of the home. Fully fitted with integrated appliances, this wonderful central island, and the kitchen opens up right the way through to the dining area. 4 velux windows, 2 sets of French doors to the rear. On the left hand side are these brilliantly illuminated units. The vendors come well prepared. She's left us a bottle of bubbly out to share with the new owners of the property, which we can leave just here in this wine cooler. Now, quite a common thing with families these days are those people that work from home. And the vendors of this property have thought about this perfectly and created a home office area, fully fitted, bespoke with 2 desks to accommodate 2 computer spaces. Now, for those who like the healthy lifestyle, this property is perfect. It's got its own home gymnasium on the ground level. First level of the property are 4 brilliant sized bedrooms. As well as this is the main family bathroom and the staircase that takes you up to the 2nd floor.